Formula One isn't just about racing, it's about precision. This design concept translates that mindset into a digital experience. Let's break it down. Before building the interaction, I defined a simple design system to keep everything consistent. So, we will take a MacBook 16 Pro frame, round its radius, then we'll go to linear. For Ferrari design, I'm going with red and black color gradient, which will give a good Ferrari vibe. We'll add F1 logo and make navigation bar. I'm using titanium web font. You can also use Formula One original font. You can download it from Google. We will add a pattern to the frame. I'm using Hero Pattern plugin. We'll take black color and dotted pattern. We'll reduce its opacity to 15%. Now we'll add text and CTA button to the frame. Let's add a car image and team logo. I'll add these team logos so we can create an animation. Duplicate the frame, change the background color and CTA button color. Same, do it with other frames. We will take the text for each frame, select all, make frame selection, press Ctrl and take it to the first frame and on clip content, add it to Ferrari frame. We will duplicate and take the same frame to McLaren frame. We will select the text for McLaren and the earlier text, press shift and drag. Do the same for others. We will do same thing with car code and team logos, also same with car images. Let's add interaction to design. Select first frame, trigger on click, smart animate. Duration will be 1000 millisecond. Custom brazier. Copy this code and connect it. Do it for all frames. Our design is ready. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and comment down on which topic you want next video. Thanks for watching.